good?
It's fine. I haven't put it in my chrono yet. I haven't put it in the chrono yet.
Oh, okay. This is all 3.6s, is it?
Yeah, I'm recording as well.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that is sending them, isn't it? Sending
We've
them.
got the hot, just like have I? I'm going for the back, big target at the back there.
Yeah, yeah, no, I think that's absolutely fine.
Oh, down the side, that's spot on. Oh,
Bang on that, isn't it? Bang on. They're going like a friggin' laser as well. It's going to get expensive, isn't it? Yeah, that is a phenomenal result. Well done.
yeah.
Cool. We did all right. We did all right.
These, then you think, oh, I've got that near. I shot the sight in perfectly.
Yeah.
Just check that I've got that inside. I know everyone's eyes are different.
Thank you. It was behaving, and then I walked out, put a mag in, test fire, and the MOSFET went, no, you're too low voltage.
Right, so that. Bear with me a second. Right, put a couple out, make sure you're happy, mate. That seems fine, nice, cool. Again, and again. Yeah, that's fine, mate.
Okay, thank you very much.
I'll whack it. Have you already got a tag on it or not?
I've got a yellow tag from a couple weeks ago.
Nah, I'll stick another one on. Fuck it, you can have a collection.
Thank you.
Well, airsofters, they get really proud about the 15,000 rainbow tag.
Well, like this one.
You've got to take them all off.
And then you go to a site and the chrono master goes, no, we're cutting them all off. Oh, hang on a minute. So it's taken me a year and a half to get that many on it. There you go, buddy.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
Oh, meters per second. God, that'll confuse everyone if you do that.
That's it.
Sounds like it's cycling nice.
What is it? Actually, just services.
Has he got his sticker on it?
Do you know what? That probably hasn't, because that was built, wasn't it? I built that long before I had the stickers.
Yeah.
I've got a sticker.
Oh, that sound like a... Yeah, that sounded like a few misfeeds.
Yeah.
It won't last.
Not on that side, just on the stairs.
I don't think it's part of mine. Probably not mine.
You can put a sticker on it if you want.
I haven't got any with me.
Ah.
Yeah. I mean, I might have a look at my box to see if there's one. We just stick it on that side, can't we?
Yeah. You did that one as well.
Well, that one isn't my build, I don't think.
Oh
is
no,
it?
you didn't do it, but you put your services on.
Yeah, no, I can only do it if I did the upgrade. Because that has got all the horrible AOE in it and everything. That's got like fucking 4 teeth cut off of it.
Did you correct it or not?
I haven't done, no. Did you want me to? I put this out, it was working, so I just put a spacer on it. I was like, fine, whatever. Just did the once over. Because I remember you saying you didn't want the cost to go 2 mega.
So you want to do my MP5 next?
What brand's your MP5? Don't tell me it's a recoil. No, yours was the one like reason I decided not to do the TM recoil
Yep.
MP5.
It was.
Yeah,
Did anyone else, has anyone else asked?
no, I've not had anyone else ask, but I.
Oh, it's white. It's white out.
Fucking
I'm
hate
looking at
that
that
thing.
target now, actually, dead on the hair.
Yeah.
What, 75?
Yeah.
I didn't see what I went.
Got the target 75.
Yeah.
Right in the head. This is right.
It looks like it's hitting a 70. Is it slinging them to the right?
Okay, we're going to go from.
Oop.
Yeah, it's you're well off. You want to bring your sight right across, don't
Yeah. That's why I thought, well, let's do it now.
you? Yeah, no, you're wise to do it now. Have you got other mags to try with that so we can make sure it's feeding? I've got an M4 mag on me if we
Yeah.
need. So I can grab one.
Yeah,
Just to make sure.
I've got EP1 mag as well. So
And that would probably. It's just something to get the pressure.
I'll have to load up the EP mag and put it in. If you go in my case, you've got the EP mag, you've got to put a 3.
Yeah, that's all. Well, I'll let you sort all that. Innit?
No, it turns a certain amount. Yeah. And then it doesn't want to after a certain amount. So I might. Oh shit. So I was wondering why, like, compared to my other 700, this one was. Yeah, well, but what I might do is try and.
I'll go and see if I've got a sticker for that one.
Yeah.
I'm going to have a look. I'll be back in a minute. I might have one at the bottom of the box.
No, not really. That's going to be my plan. But yeah, I feel like there's something going on in the throat that I don't know. Because I can hear it as well, so the power is inconsistent. But on the shots where it's going to be lower power, I can hear it. But I can hear it like it sounds a bit tired on those shots. So yeah, next thing would be to actually right there, it's over. Nothing else here. It was and like, as I said, there's something else weird going on inside that bulb. Worst case, I can cannibalize the rear of the bolt in my Tanaka M700 that is a wheel hanger. I can cannibalize the rear of that bolt and put it in this, 'cause it's just the rear. The front of the bolt seems fine, and it's the front of the bolt that's the PTS. That one's going to be lower. 1.95. That one's going to be lower. 1.99. Seems to have settled now. Around 1.9. No, and then that one's 1.9. So yeah, there's something going on in the bulb. What I don't like. The actual trajectory of the booby is really nice. What I'll probably do is first, I will handle off about
CO2.
Yeah. Ooh, that's fair.